Hi, I want to share my new recipe, the Shanghai noodle. And I got about 12 ounces of Shanghai noodle, but sometimes Shanghai noodle you have to find. So I'm using the Japanese noodle instead. So that's okay, you can using the Japanese noodle. And I got 4 ounces of shrimp. I got about 1.5 ounces of baby pak choy, and half ounce of carrot, and half ounce of onion. So for the sauce, I use about 3 tablespoons of soy sauce, 1 tablespoon of sugar, 1 tablespoon of vinegar, and 1/4 teaspoon of white pepper, and mix. Okay, while that's boiling, I'm going to cook the baby pak choy first, and I put a drop of oil in it to keep the green, and a pinch of salt in it. To leave it cook for a minute. And for the shrimp, I put a pinch of salt and a pinch of white pepper and mix. Okay, when the pak choy is cooking, I'm going to be stir fry the shrimp first. And I'm going to put a little bit oil in it. Should turn a high heat. Oh, I didn't turn it a high heat. Have to wait for a little bit. Okay, just wait. Okay, the baby pak choy is ready. So I'm going to remove it. I'm going to turn off the heat. Okay, this is about hot. I put some oil in it. Okay, I'm going to remove the shrimp. The shrimp is all done. Then I'm going to put some onion in it. Some carrot. And I put some noodle in it. And I want to let them brown the noodle a little bit. Okay, they look pretty good right now. So I'm going to put some pak choy in it, baby pak choy, some sauce in it. And put some shrimp in it too. Clean out some. This is all done. I'm going to turn off the heat. Okay, that's how I make today the Shanghai noodle.